to put custom seed in Aternos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open aternos.org on your Google and then log into your account. After you've logged into your account, on left side, scroll down to Worlds. Simply click on Worlds and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Generate, which is below Files. After you've clicked on Generate, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, just edit seed, add your seed, and then scroll down. You don't need to simply edit all and then click on Generate. After it's generated, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Server located at left side, and then click on Start. After you've clicked on Start, you can simply click on Yes, I accept, and then copy the link which is above Connect, which starts from FDX. Simply copy that and then go to your Minecraft and then paste it in your server ID in this way, which is server address, and then press on Done and you're good to go. This is how to put custom seed in Aternos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.